Have you just bought a domain from Namecheap and want to connect it to your Shopify store? Or maybe you already have a third-party domain and want your store to look clean and professional with your own custom URL? Well, you're in the right place. In this quick and complete 2025 guide, I'll walk you through exactly how to connect your Namecheap domain to Shopify, step by step, in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, open your Shopify admin dashboard. From here, go to the bottom left corner of your screen and click Settings. Inside the Settings page, select Domains. This is where you manage everything related to your store's web address. Whether it's purchased through Shopify or another provider like Namecheap now, click on Connect Existing Domain. This option is for people who already own a domain and want to link it to their Shopify store. A pop-up will appear asking for your domain name here. Type in or paste the exact domain you purchased from Namecheap. Double check for typos. Even a small mistake can cause your domain not to connect properly. Once entered, click Next, and Shopify will display the specific DNS settings you'll need to update in your Namecheap account. Now, head over to namecheap.com and sign in. Go to your domain list, find the domain you want to connect, and click Manage. Scroll down to the Name Server section and make sure it's set to Namecheap Basic DNS. Then, in the Advanced DNS tab, you'll add or edit a few records based on what Shopify shows you. For the A record, set the host to @ and point it to Shopify's IP address, usually 23.227.3, 8.65. For the CNAME record, set the host to www and point it to shops.myshopify.com. Save your changes and that's it. Go back to Shopify and click Verify Connection. It may take a few minutes, sometimes up to an hour, for DNS changes to fully update. But once they do, your Shopify store will be live on your new custom domain. You now have a professional looking store URL that builds trust and strengthens your brand. And that's how you connect a Namecheap domain to Shopify. Quick, easy, and 100% working for 2025. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss future Shopify and e-commerce tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.